Welcome again. Let's learn a simple fast grammar. Basic English sentence structure. The rule is subject plus verb plus object. Subject equals who does the action. Verb equals the action. Object equals who, what receives the action. Examples. I eat apples, she plays football, they read books. Remember, subject plus verb plus object is the key to English sentences. Task for you. Define subject, verb and object in this sentence. Ali passes his exam. Write your answer in comment. See you later with grammar, present simple.